Okay. Yeah, there are people behind us. Very good voices. Start already. Yep, it's 2 people. It's a couple. Alright, video number 3. Walking up the woods. August 8th, 2024. I'm with my lovely assistant. And we're deep in the woods. This is, oh yeah, well, I think we left the hay pots. Here we are. That's nice work. They're cleaning up here. I don't remember his name. Maybe a vacuum. I vacuum. Yeah, not right behind us, but when we get to the top of the hill, well, I'm past us. If there's the top of the hill. Well, they took a shortcut. Taking a shortcut. I guess it's the trail over there. Well, you're just walking through the woods.
Oh, yeah?
I guess so.
I don't hear anything.
I know. So it must be on a trail. Well, let's look. There's a lot of trail. Just stop hanging. There we are. Yeah, I think there's another trail over there. Yeah. Yep, there is. Alright. Going 1.27 miles. Yeah. Well, it's all zigging and zagging. Really? Oh, they lost.
Hello.
How are you, folks?
Hey. You remembered your head net.
Always.
I forgot mine.
As soon as I got on the trail, they started buzzing, and I said, that's it, gotta put it on.
Well, now they have to go after me then.
Well, I don't know. I'm a magnet for everything.
I know how that is.
You as well, thanks. Well, it's going to come out to the trail we came off of, and we're going to go back the same way, because otherwise, if we go the other trail, it's like another 2 miles. Remember I talked about that yesterday?
Vaguely.
Yeah. When we get to a location, we sit down, you know, when we take a longer break, I can show you. Take a snack break or something. I guess they aren't worried about ticks. Wearing shorts. Any dents in there. Here's my throat. I hear a breeze. I don't sneeze. Alright, it's fine. That's funny too. It's so funny, I've got to laugh. Okay, hang on. This is interesting, in my opinion. Check these two trees out. One going one way. Go down here. One going one way, one going the other way. Forming an X. I highly doubt two trees did that by nature. That's 2.5 inches in diameter, and that one's about 3 inches in diameter. I highly doubt you got a snow load or an ice load would bend those trees to create that X. There's a broken tree down there. That's where it kind of. So these down there. Where is it? Somebody stole it on the video. Oh, there it is. Okay. Brake hold. Oh, there's another brake right here. Pointing basically the same direction as the other one I just showed you. That's probably going to be an arch. They're working on it. Wait for one of the big ones, the big daddies. As much as it is. It's not too wet out here. No. Those two branches fall there like that? Possibly. Makes for a nice X. Another broken tree. There's one that's out of sight. That's a good one. Saw those guys over here someplace. Looking around. Down here someplace. This is carried out these woods. Is that going to cross the trail? Why? Why not? Why? We are friends. That's why. Did you know you could eat that stuff right there? That's kind of some kind of plankton or something. Get really hungry. Just bring some water with you. See what it's called. Another plane coming in. I think this one's gonna fly right over us. Lower your volume. Oh. A lot of rocks up there. I was going to come out here alone. And said, no, I want to go with you. Okay, I can't go off trail with you. So, come back again. And check out some of these areas on here. Off trail. Oh, there's an arch right there. You can see that from there. Right there. It's about a 5, maybe about a 6 footer. Yep. I see the acorns are falling off the trees. There's lots of them over here. It's been an acorn party. I don't claim to be a professional researcher. I'm just a person who likes to be in the woods looking for things that I believe they have created as art for themselves and for the humans that want to look at them. Like this stuff right here. Got this arch. All this stuff going over here. Two branches, 2 saplings laying across that one. That could be a portal. You see an arch with leaners like that. Sometimes a portal to go into various locations, whether it be on the same property or in another part of the world. How do they do it? I have no idea. They won't reveal it to me. I tried asking them a variety of inquisitive questions, but not getting the responses I would think would make sense to me. Another X right there. With a small little X. I think it just placed it there. I don't think there's any Sasquatches that small. Baby. Right out of mama's womb. Out there walking. If I hear any sniffing sounds by the Sasquatches, these are timestamps of them. We're walking on the trail. So we were over there, now we're here. On all of this. Walking all this, gotta watch my walking. I pray I get yourself. What do you have for protection? Well, a stick like that. All these nails in them. Do somebody some damage. How's it going there, my dear?
I hope we're getting close.
Close to what?
To the main trail. I feel like we're going around in circles.
We're going zigzagging back and forth.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
I know.
Yeah. Let me see where we are. Alright. Let's see. Oh, we got more zigzagging to do. Zig, zag, back zig and zagging, and then some more zig and zagging, and some more zig and zagging. Let's see, where's the main trail? Okay. Oh, it's going to come out to the main trail.
Okay.
But we got about another, let's see. Let me open this up.
12 zigzag.
Oh, here we are right here. We got, it's probably another half a mile of zigzagging or so.
Mm-hmm.
3/4 mile. Mile. Kind of hard to tell, you know. There's no measurements on it. I think they changed it. They used to have measurements on it, but they changed it. Got rid of it.
Maybe this one has to be measured.
That's possible. Too many zigs and too many zags. Yeah, maybe it's, we can probably cross over there. Let's see where we can do that. Let's see where we are here. Whoops. That actually goes back to the trail we came on. Yep. You want to start all over again? Looks like the beginning of a nice arch right there. Just starting. Right over the trail. Got some more bending to do. Getting there. A little more bending. Oh, that's nice. That's what I call creativity. Asterisk. Some people call it a Union Jack. Try to go hold the camera still. Sniffing. Another one over here. Like big boulders. Excuse me. Excuse me. I see another X. Sniffing. Let's see if I can get a photo of it. I can probably get it right from here. Branch in the way. There we go. Right against that tree. This branch is not part of it. There's a branch in front of me. Alright. Nice. Hey, I think we're going down. That must have been the top of the hill. Interesting. Is that a bench? That's a sign. I thought it was a bench. Huh?
Nothing.
It's,
It used to be a bridge.
yeah. Oh, a bridge or a bench?
But now there's two different ways, right?
Well. Oh, wait. I gotta take a picture of the arch here. I know. Arch. I got an arch addiction. Alright, let me come out there. See where the arrow goes. Kinda hard to say from there. I think we might be wanting to go this way. Let's see where the arch goes. I mean, where the arch goes. Where the arrow goes. Alright, so we are here. Looks like we want to go this way.
Okay.
Yep.
For sure.
Yep, pretty sure. See, right here. You can't really see the arrow, but there's only one trail out here.
Yeah, I know, but
You know?
there's one that goes that way.
Yeah,
and I don't
somebody
wanna go
somebody
that
made another trail out there probably. Okay, leader of the one pack. And a half. And a half. Don't forget about me. Oh yeah. Oh, keep forgetting about you, Jed. I was that part you stand right next to you. Oh. There's you're so short. Oh, another X. Oh. We are here. Do not enter unless you belong to our clan. There'll be a fight. I wonder if this trail is where we're going to end up. We can just cross over. Yes, it is. Let's save ourselves a couple 100 feet
Okay.
and go this way.
It looks like other people are doing it.
Yeah. Just watch out for that X. Big X.
Sure, this is the right direction.
Yes. I'm going to check it when I get back on this trail. I'm going to go a little ways so that the satellite can catch up with us. A little more. A little more. A little more. A little more. A bird! It's a bird! Okay, stop right there. Let me check my app. Oops. Yes, we have crossed over. We're going to continue that way. Yep. That way, my dear. I just went up in the loop and came back. Quiet out here. No birds. We got more birds in our backyard. I always say that, but that's true. Another small arch. Actually, it's a heavy-duty arch. It's old. Pinned right over there. Or it starts from over there. It's pinned right over here. Actually, it's broken now. But it did go all the way to the ground. It's old. So... Definitely. Another plane coming in. That's where we came from. Way over there by that rock. This is where we are. There's no trail there. Let me see if that trail is where we're going to end up. Nope. This trail should bring us back to the main trail. That's in a secondary trail, I guess, over there. Somebody made it up. Huh. What do we call that to fall? Branch, probably. See squirrels or anything? Chipmunks, maybe a bird land on it. No, it didn't scare me. It was like, look at that noise. So, this is the trail. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. It's better to let it out than hold it in. Excuse me, another one. I haven't drank any water for a while since I started the trip over an hour ago. So, oh, there's a cute little arch. Maybe. She is way up there, 60 feet ahead of me. That's right. The Sasquatch is hanging over there. Excuse me. She's under protection mode. Nope. Another big one. Wow. Thick one. Oh, I'll show it to you. Alright, just seen it. Mosquitoes are flying on me. I'm landing on my hand. Getting E-virus. Alright. Wanna know this? The zigzag trail. The roots. Hey, if you see any good flat rocks to sit on, birds. Let's see. Yeah, probably crosses over. Let's see. Yes. Cut right across there.
And go left or right?
I think we're going that way. Left. But we'll see when we get there. Just cross over. crossing all of this. Let Ann get ahead. Maybe not. That looks like we'd probably come from the other direction. Come on, where are you? Yeah. Let's go that way for a while. I'll check it again. Kind of hard to tell from when you're standing right there after you cross the trail. You have to go a ways, you know, so the satellite can catch up with you. Okay, let's stop right here. We can always cross back over there if we need to. Let's see. Looks like, yeah, it looks like that. Can't see my glasses on. Yep. Well, we're kind of off the trail, but yep. Let's continue that way. Simply. Watch out for that rock. Don't trip and fall. You can trip but don't fall. Oh, that's nice. A lot of interaction going on over here. I don't think humans, but those tree limbs like that when they're cleaning the trails.
Do you want to check again or wait till we get?
We're going to go a little further, just to be on the safe side. Because when I checked it last time, it was between two trails. I don't know. I see the trail over there to the left. Hang on. Let's check it again. Okay, yep. I guess we should be going. There's another trail over there someplace. Okay, we're going to be going back. Yep, okay. This is not where we want to go. We want to go to the right. Okay. I thought so. But we don't know until you double check. So, I just saw a trail over here. Okay, let's backtrack. That's where that trail would. This is where the trail would come out to. Let's cross right here. Should have taken a right instead of a left. That's okay.
Okay, so now we're going there?
Now we're going this way. Yep. Okay, we were over there. Now we're over here. Rock stacking. Oh, we come to. Is this a split? Split. Okay. That's the one we want.
That's the one we want?
Yeah, but we're not going to go there today. I'm getting tired. Yeah, you are too, huh? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. See here. Okay, so we're gonna go that way. I think. I mean, hang on. Hold it. Hold the dogs. Oh yeah, I got to put you guys on pause. Looking at that rock stack.